Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about Cardano ADA. We're going to talk about Cardano in the context of, is it getting ready to begin its bull run? And if so, where are we going to end up at? Where do I think we're going to go? Got a piece of content I want to share with you that is going to paint the case for a pretty easy $3 next target, which quite frankly is pretty straightforward, not a lot to it. I think there's a lot more upside, and I think that Cardano is quite possibly about to begin a pretty amazing bull run. So we're going to talk about all that and just kind of an overall state of the union. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Thanks for your support of myself, my videos, my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for giving me a voice in this crazy crypto world. Hey, got to make you aware. I got my Patreon links are in the description below. If you need help with your portfolio, you want my guidance, you want a little bit more Austin, come on down. If you want, links are in the description below. Check it out. You can join and cancel at any time. And I'm going to tell you this, frankly, at 20 bucks, it's less than what it costs you for a meal out. Okay? Yes, I talk about my Patreon in every single video for one simple reason. I want to help those that need the help. So if that's not you, it's okay. It's all cool. But there are definitely people out there that are new to crypto. A lot of new crypto people are coming into my channel, my world. So I want to help those that are needing and wanting some help. So just check it out if you're interested. Links in the description. All right, so Cardano's sitting at $2.79. For those of you guys who know, I cover Cardano pretty regularly on my channel. I want to state up front, I do own Cardano. I am a massive fan of Cardano, and I am not being paid by anybody at Cardano for this video. Period. Okay, I do cover it regularly on my channel. So as we're looking out into the future, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the top two right here, obviously Cardano number three. Bitcoin and Ethereum are right now kind of, for lack of a better way to say it, kind of treading water, kind of resting, although Ethereum has got a nice little bump up right here, right this second. You see Cardano is exactly the opposite, doing its thing, down 2.5 compared to up 2.5 with Ethereum. But when Bitcoin and Ethereum begin their bull run, we are going to see some massive gains across the entire market, including, obviously, Cardano. I liken that to a free catalyst. When Bitcoin and Ethereum and the overall market continues to move, when we get money starting to come back into the overall market and the market cap of the overall crypto market moves up, Cardano is of course going to go up with that. Okay, now beyond that, Cardano has its own catalyst, a massive one out there in the near future. I'm assuming you know. If you don't, it is September 12th. September 12th, which is approximately, what, 13 days? Yeah, if you do, yeah, 13 days. Not including today. If including today's almost over, it's kind of halfway day. Give a point. 13 and a half days. There you go. So we got about 13 and a half days to go for the implementation of smart contracts into the Cardano network. That's going to be a massive, massive game changer. I want to show you this right here. This is cool. Look at this. This is something I wasn't even planning on showing, but this is a really, really cool tweet. May 21 versus August 21. And what this is showing is some really cool stuff. So this is the Cardano ecosystem and everything kind of built on it, around it, etc. Now, this would be in August. Look at it. This was in May. And what are you really looking for is the number of projects. It's the number of things going on. Like, look at, you just can kind of see overall, like payment, other, NFT, etc. Now, if you go back here and you look at just like, okay, like let's look at an example. Like NFT, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, so NFT right here. Look at the NFT gaming. It is what? There's probably, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would say there's at least 70 or 80 projects or more in the NFT. We went from 9 to 80, 90. I know I haven't counted all these up, but you get my point. Wallets, DEX, lending, borrowing, Launchpad, stablecoin, derivative, insurance, Oracle, graph, query, payment, etc. Other, the list just goes on and on and on. Why am I showing you this? It shows you how much more adoption and many more projects and the viability and everything that's starting to really continue to look like it's starting to develop on the Cardano ecosystem. Just look at the overall massive number. Would you say fairly easily it is tripled? I would say it is it's probably gone up at least 10x or more, the amount of projects from May to August. Think about that. That's profound. I think one of the major game changers in this is smart contracts coming, okay, is the fact that Cardano is the other blockchain out there. Is it ever going to replace Ethereum? No, that's not at all what we're saying. But I have a scenario. It's a metaphor. I know you guys watch me, you know what I'm about to say. I love Cardano because I love owning Cardano ADA for a real simple reason. I like to own the foundation of the house. And you can see that the house is getting bigger. There's more stuff being built on the house. I love owning the foundation. That's why I love to own Cardano ADA. That's why a lot of times when I have new people who join my Patreon group or my private members, one of the first things I mention is you need to own Cardano. You need to have some Cardano in your portfolio. It is a really, really, really good one, and it is only going to get bigger. It is only going to get bigger, okay? So let's talk about price points. Let's talk about what's going on. Cardano is getting ready for a $3 retest. I think that's just a laydown. This whole thing talks about how we're basically getting back to right here. Crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen looks price at $3. I think it's more. Okay, if Bitcoin can stay above the 20-week SMA, simple moving average, citing the price of Bitcoin is an important driver. We've already talked about has main trend trading over its 100-day. If Cohen, so basically if that can continue to happen, ADA is going to continue to move. ADA is going to move outside of Bitcoin. That's going to happen. But I already said that we need Bitcoin and Ethereum to do its thing as well, right? But here's the thing. Cardano is trading so well right now. It's trending the right way. It's resting a little bit right now. It's down 2% now. Let me see. I'm just thinking if there's anything else here. Cardano's incredible price run, which saw the asset clinch the number 3 spot for top crypto by market cap, beating out Binance. We knew that. Okay. We have tested the $3 level. I'm not worried about it. We're going to get past it. There's basically kind of an emotional, I think, barrier at $3. When we get past that, I think we're off and running. To kind of wrap up with some thoughts around where this could go, Cardano is absolutely, in my opinion, a $5 to $10 crypto by the end of the year. Well, Austin, for it to do that, it has to have its market cap has to grow exponentially by this, by this, by this. Here's what I would tell you. It will do that, but it will also not do that in a vacuum, okay? What do I mean by that? Well, Cardano's not going to rise by itself. Its market cap, I think Cardano has established itself as the number 3. I think it's going to pretty much stay there. And it will rise accordingly with Bitcoin and Ethereum. As their market caps get bigger, so will Cardano's. And thus the price point will flow and ride with them as they move up. So again, Ethereum, I think Ethereum is going to be 6 to 7, 8, 9,000 by the end of the year. Bitcoin easily 60,000 to 70,000. And this is not me just saying it. There are other, frankly, people smarter than me, and I'm the first guy to say there are definitely people smarter than me who do a lot more technical analysis and stuff like this, who all readily agree that these price points are not out of the realm of possibility. In fact, fairly conservative as far as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, $5 to $10, 12 to 15 is a possibility. Not necessarily by the end of this year, but could be into 2022 for Cardano. There is some significantly stronger opportunity here, and Cardano is going to continue to excel because it's making all the right moves with smart contracts and everything else coming down the road for the platform and everything else. You can see that there are a massive amount of projects coming on board to Cardano. And I'm going to end with that and just the fact that it is going to continue to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and thus the price of ADA is going to continue to roll and roll and roll and roll. As always, I appreciate yourself. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'll see you later. Bye.